Are you looking for easy to use and easy to set up solution for live streaming? My name is Pavel Kotyza and I am BDM of CamStreamer company, and in this video I will show you how to use our CamStreamer apps for enabling streaming and occupancy management using only AXIS communication camera. What are the big challenges we are facing right now? There are business limitations, there are lockdowns, loss of visitors, revenue is dropping down, and reopening might bring some occupancy limits. There are also some new opportunities. Video content popularity is growing. Monetization opportunities are available on mobile and online and social networks. User tracking, including remarketing, is advanced and now available even in videos. And the fact that latest chipsets in AXIS communication network cameras are adding new capabilities. We at CamStreamer, we have 4 apps which might help with reaching new markets and getting new opportunities with using AXIS network cameras. CamStreamer app is for streaming directly from camera. CamOverlay app is for adding overlay graphics to your streams. CamScripter is here to help you to fetch any third-party app data and show them in CamOverlay. And Store Occupancy Manager helps you to make IP camera and public view monitor into occupancy and marketing tool. Top segments of CamStreamer ACAPs are churches, zoos, tourism, sports centers, museum, security, schools, retail, Department of Transport, Parks and Nature, Industrial Sector, Healthcare, Entertainment and Casinos. So who is CamStreamer team? We are Prague, Czech Republic based company. There's more than 20 of us. We work for AXIS as an application development partner for more than a decade. And we are developers of onboard ACAP apps utilizing AXIS camera hardware. Currently, we have over 10,000 running live streams around the globe and growing. What is the main specification of all our CamStreamer apps? All our apps runs inside AXIS ARTPEC cameras. There's no extra hardware needed. Our apps are completely independent from video management system solution. We support 4 major streaming protocols and we help with automations of tasks and streams via scheduling, API commands and AXIS event support. Definitely, you can try our 30-day free trial available on our website. We have 4 apps in our portfolio, so let's have a look on one by one separately and briefly. CamStreamer app. CamStreamer apps enables direct video streaming on preferred RTMP platform from camera without need of any OBS, Streamlabs, hardware, media center or any other hardware. Just upload our app into AXIS camera, set up easily via simple configuration and start streaming to preferred platform. CamStreamer app supports majority of AXIS camera models, including older Umbrella, including older ARTPEC chipset. However, all ARTPEC 5, 6, 7 chipsets are adding more and more features. That's why we recommend you to update to latest models possible. CamStreamer gives you control over your stream. You can create 24/7 live streams. You can schedule one-time stream. You can create recurrent streams. You may start streams manually or remotely via API commands, mobile bookmarks, browser bookmarks, I/O hardware buttons. You can even set up a delayed live streaming, which is specifically used in sensitive private areas or in eSport. And as I said, it's all in camera solution. There's no need for any OBS or Streamlabs. Just upload your app and start your stream. CamOverlay is an ACAP app available for AXIS ARTPEC 5, 6, 7 cameras and enables you to give some visuals to your video, such as weather forecast, uploading the pictures, animations, picture-in-picture, PTZ overlays, and so on and so forth. Currently, there are a couple ready-made widgets, plus custom graphics where you can create your own graphics with changeable text which you can change on the fly. There is weather, there is info ticker, there is custom graphics, there might be images uploaded. We have a picture in picture with video in video feature. You can enable PTZ triggered overlays. Any of these overlays are editable and you can control them using control room inside app or API or hardware buttons. CamScripter app is the third app on our portfolio, and it's a JavaScript code interpreter which runs on camera and makes it possible to fetch or acquire any data from third-party apps and feed with this data CamOverlay. So you can grab information from temperature sensors, access systems, healthcare system, industrial system, social networks, and use these data and show them using CamOverlay. Couple examples. Visit our GitHub repos depository for latest updates, and here on the top you can see integrations with the digital scale, and on the bottom there's an integration with AXIS A1001 network door controller. So whatever card is scanned, we fetch the data, show them as a graphic overlay in video, so security and surveillance guy can easily compare whose cards was scanned and who's on the video. As I said, visit GitHub for more examples, including Twitter and digital clock and analog clock and many other examples. Our latest app in our portfolio is Store Occupancy Manager. It's all-in CAM solution for occupancy, face detection, digital signage, and AXIS event support. So what is Store Occupancy Manager? In simple way, imagine that you have a space where 10 people can fit in, 8 is already in, so 2 people can come in. Graphics says, yeah, come in, go. I came in, I'm counted, my colleague came in, he's counting, we reached the limit, and graphics is swapped automatically. So people in front of the store are aware that they should wait or stop or, take some time. On the top right corner, you can see how does the same stream can look like after hours. So during the night, you might add QR to forward people to your website. You might add some additional information and so on and so forth. So Store Occupancy Manager app turns your AXIS security camera into store occupancy management tool. It helps to prevent theft, as the fact that people know that they are being watching the PVM. You might add some marketing promotions, such as info ticker and a graphics. And our Store Occupancy Manager app also creates AXIS events, which can trigger playing PA on an audio, closing the door, switching on the big red light, or whatever can be triggered by AXIS events. How does it work? There is a need for counting camera. There is another camera for displaying the overlays, and then the video based on the threshold is with go or stop is sent via, for example, HDMI to public view monitor. As I said, counting is required. Our Store Occupancy Manager supports AXIS People Counter and AXIS Occupancy Estimator. These two apps can manage the current and real-time occupancy, and therefore our apps is just asking these apps for what's the current number of people inside the store, and compared based on the threshold, switch on the graphics, it's full or please wait or come in. List of supported cameras by our app is pretty simple. Any ARTPEC 5 and 6 and 7 camera is supported. However, on ARTPEC 6 and 7 you can have animations up to 4 overlays and stream to multiple platforms. With ARTPEC 5 you can't have animations and only maybe 2 overlays. On the bottom there is a list of AXIS Occupancy Estimator apps. Maybe you notice that some of them are boldly listed. It means these cameras can run both apps at once. There are 3 possible scenarios how to install Store Occupancy Manager. The first one, I am using one camera only, in this case FA54. So one sensor is used for counting, another sensor is used for surveillance camera, and then the screen or the view area is sent via HDMI to preferred public view monitor. Of course, it can be sent to VMS, it can be streamed on YouTube, it can be saved anywhere, it can trigger any other AXIS events such as switching on the big light, sending sound or alert to PA, or closing the door, and so on. Scenario number 2, there is separate camera for counting, there is another camera for store occupancy management, and then via HDMI or via VMS, the view area is sent on a public view monitor. Scenario number 3, if there are 2 separate cameras without HDMI and the stream is sent to VMS or used CamStreamer, used AXIS T8705 video decoder, and the CamStreamer feed is sent again via this converter to HDMI on television. Administration of the app is pretty easy. You just enable the app, select the view area you want to use on a public view monitor, what's the resolution and what's the store limit. On the next step, you will define where is the counting camera. It supports localhost as well. Then you define what graphics you want to show if you are above or below the threshold, and if you want to show some marketing promotions, you may add it later, and you may even schedule it for example, after hours or night time. We sorted out a couple of animations for the convenience of our clientele, so anyone can download these animations from our website to be used in Store Occupancy Manager. Any of our app is provided with a 30-day trial, so you can easily test it on a final solution. After 30 days, you will be asked to upgrade to full license, and we charge only one-time payment. There are no monthly fees. Our pricing is pretty straightforward. CamStreamer apps is for $299 US. CamOverlay app is for $299 US. If you buy it as a bundle, you will save 20%. That's $99 savings. So the whole bundle is not $600, but only $499. CamScripter app is for $199, and Store Occupancy Manager is available for $499 one-time payment. We do not charge monthly fees. And of course, if you are a reseller or you are interested in bulk orders or volume orders, please reach us and we can provide you with a reseller discount. Based on the apps, let's have a look on the top segments of CamStreamer and AXIS bundles. CamStreamer is for anyone who wants to live stream directly from camera. We see a huge increase among churches, zoos, animal shelters, sports centers, museum, constructions, and security integrators and resellers. CamOverlay is here for anyone who wants to add some graphics to the video stream. Again, churches, zoos, schools, sports centers, live events, marketing, you might add a QR code, monetization and donations opportunities. That's the CamOverlay for. CamScripter app is for anyone who wants to add any third-party data to graphic overlay via JavaScript or API. Especially we see integration with healthcare data, industrial real-time data, security, any API, XML or RSS data, social network data. And these data are then sent to CamOverlay. Store Occupancy Manager is used for anyone who wants to manage any indoor area occupancy. It's not only for retail, it's also for schools, libraries, churches, museums, hospitals, waiting rooms, any other public place where occupancy is required. I definitely encourage you to visit our resource section where you can find a lot of tutorials, use cases, case studies, press releases on brand resources. You may download plenty of PDFs for you or your clientele. And of course, we are available on support and CamStreamer.com email. We also created and catered over 800 categorized CamStreamer live streams around the globe. So you can search by full text, you can search by category, you can search for inspiration also by camera axis model. So if you will be looking for how does a V5925 streaming, check it out in our live gallery, because you will find how cam model works in different lighting conditions during the day and night. So this is the basic introduction of our 4 CamStreamer ACAPs. I believe you can reach new markets with this solution, and I'll be more than happy if you will subscribe and join us on another CamStreamer talk. I'll be introducing every app and every feature in detail, so do not forget to join me on our CamStreamer talks. My name is Pavel Kotyza, I am BDM of CamStreamer, and I'll see you in the next video.